Incredible sociological statistics may be found for Shiba Inu. Whether you take an optimistic or pessimistic view, you can't deny that Shiba Inu coin price action has been strong recently. We now know that its price has been falling along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market recently. At this point, Bitcoin has retreated through a crucial support level. Nonetheless, this might be a good time to invest. There's a lot of anticipation for the upcoming debut of Shiba, which the creators have promised is on the horizon. Therefore, in this video, we'll discuss some of the social media statistics relating to the Shiba Inu coin. Investors are getting wary again as the Bitcoin market rise of the past month begins to falter. Let's discuss the current state of the Shiba Inu currency and its implications. If you're still interested, then let's get to work. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss breaking news in the worlds of Shiba Inu and cryptocurrencies. If you've never seen one of our videos before, we want to give you a warm welcome. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, be sure to subscribe by checking that box. We're going to let everyone know that 5 million Shiba Inu tokens are being given away on this channel. Those interested need to subscribe to the channel, like the video in question, and add a comment mentioning the hashtag Shiba Inu to be entered into a random drawing. On February 15th, we'll let you know who won. Let's first take a look at some social media metrics, and then circle around to discuss Ethereum and price activity. It's incredible to see the price of Shiba Inu increase by 20% in just the past week. In just the previous month, the price increased from 800 to 1500 per coin. As Shiba Inu has been able to mimic the performance of nearly 100 tokens since early 2023, after a surge from $15,000 to almost $25,000. A correction is to be expected. Even if prices drop by 5 or 10% on some of the major coins with market capitalizations of $100 billion, while you're watching this video, keep in mind that we're still well above what we attained just a few days ago. And to reiterate what I just said, commerce continues. While some people have the philosophy of buy, hold, and never sell, others do not. What we observe at these resistance levels is traders profiting from their positions. Thus, the Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Terra, and Bitcoin all withdrew. The weekly performance of the price action remains strong. One of the two sets of data I'm interested in analyzing is the media and social media's coverage of the cryptocurrency market, so this is encouraging. Please show me how these two things are connected. Indeed, that is currently depicted on Shiba Inu coins. That's good to see, showing that the coin is functioning normally. So, we can deduce that there has been an almost 20% increase in cost. The number of social media references has risen by 17.1% to 306,000 in the last week. A lot of time and use has passed since the Shiba Inu coin was first minted. Regardless of how good we think we are, we can always improve greatly. The fact that we are only scratching the surface of our potential is, to me, evidenced by such a large number. Since there are people constantly publishing and making new content like tweets, movies, and so on, the total is always significantly bigger. Many individuals are involved with those figures. That will invariably be greater. However, that is up roughly 23% in the last week. So, I'm keeping up with the 20% rise in Shiba Inu currency, but the good thing is that it's now up to 500 to 13.5 million exchanges. That doesn't imply there aren't more than 500 million individuals involved. Absolutely. Commenting is disabled at this time. If you want to interact with the account, you can leave up to 20 comments, like the post, and then share it. Therefore, the number of mentions on social media will always be more than the actual amount of involvement. Nonetheless, the current coin prices for everything related to Shiba Inu reflect a gain of 20%, which is a very healthy number, and, in the sense that their prices rise together, is a very healthy number. In the past month, the cryptocurrency market, and the Shiba Inu coin in particular, have generated a lot of interest, and I don't expect that interest to wane very soon. Investors are growing weary of the bear market and are beginning to look forward to the profits they may earn in a bull market. We've done the research and know there are a few things to look for before the actual bull market returns, but we're still optimistic. I wanted to share that the Fed's current projections are optimistic. We need only ensure rising corporate profits. It's one of the final requirements for the return of the bull market. With all the hope and planning we've put into it, it's almost here. Absolutely. Fellas, Both barium and bullion are flying high. The Shiba Inu coin has been extremely successful. I know I'll feel a mix of elation and disappointment when your barium eventually takes off. Okay, we lack the programmers, the apps, and the practicality required to sustain interest. A positive outcome may occur if a large number of individuals travel to the shore in search of barium and beta. Yet, you can't deny that people are impatient when they learn that something will take time to develop. That's clear to us. And then there's a brief decline just after that. There, the thrills begin to wane. So, I'm curious about your forecast for the Shiba Inu coin between now and 2023. I think this will be a year of strong price increases. Please tell me what it is that you all anticipate. You can contact me through the comments area. Remember that the value of cryptocurrencies is highly volatile. Consequently, by the time you finish this film, it may have a completely different worth. So, this video has now concluded. Like the video and subscribe if you found it entertaining to a great extent. This aids me in navigating YouTube's formula. Don't forget to forward this video to as many people as you can. Share this information far and wide. If you're serious about Bitcoin, you won't want to miss a single piece of our coverage. See you tomorrow to discuss the breaking events that affect us all.